Hello guys, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of homepage on the application of CapCut. We go to settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. When above you will search about CapCut and you will click. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we will enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here we go to Play Store. You will search about the application of CapCut. Then you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your watching and your attention.